Now we look at the ECF. So when you're talking about ECF in chemical pathology, what are you talking about? And what are the applications of the ECF? So ECF is what is known as extracellular fluid. So what is the extracellular fluid and its uses? So if you have fluid inside the cell, we call it what? Intracellular fluid. If you have fluid around the surrounding of the cell, that's what we call extracellular fluid. So it just refers to the body fluid which is outside the cell and it makes up about 1/3 of the total body water and is very important in how you are able to control the balance of fluid in your body, how you are able to transport nutrients, how you are able to remove waste from your body. So major components of the ECF include those interstitial fluid, which is a fluid that is around the cell and it bathes the cell, providing nutrients and also removing waste. We have the plasma, which is the liquid component of blood that carries cells, proteins, and nutrients. Then we have the transcellular fluid, which is specialized, all those synovial fluid, aqueous humor, and also digestive secretions. Okay. So functions of the ECF is it actually transports a lot of things: oxygen, nutrients, waste, maintains electrolyte balance, it contains sodium, chloride, and bicarbonate. Then you know also regulate fluid balance, which works with the intracellular fluid to maintain osmotic equilibrium and also support homeostasis. So to balance your pH, your temperature, and blood pressure. So composition, the extracellular fluid has a lot of sodium, has a lot of chloride. Okay, is lower in potassium and magnesium. It contains a lot of proteins too. So clinical relevance, dehydration. If there's low fluid in the body, it shows that the ECF levels will be low too. Edema, if there's excess interstitial fluid, okay, it leads to edema, like you'll be swelling, your legs, your face, everything will be swollen up. Mostly it's due to heart failure, kidney disease, or low plasma proteins. Also, electrolyte imbalance where there's abnormal sodium or potassium levels in ECF. So this is what we have for extracellular fluid.